I'm Emma Ryan, integrative nutrition health coach and founder and owner of Plant. Last week we had a request on Instagram from someone who wanted us to teach you guys how to make our iced matcha latte. I do agree that I think our iced matcha is the best. So here's our secret. So we're going to take a cup of our house-made almond milk. We have a cup of ice, so I'm just going to pour my almond milk over the ice. I'm going to do a heaping teaspoon of our matcha powder, and this is a really, really high quality matcha powder that we source locally. And then I'm just going to put about a tablespoon of maple in it. So I'm just going to do eyeball it a little bit here. And you guys can switch that up. Sometimes people order it with honey, date syrup, all sorts of things. I'm going to switch this up here. We're just going to shake it. And then pull that puppy off. We have a really nice matcha latte. So glass straw is key and you're good to go. I hope you guys enjoy the iced matcha. Make this at home. Come and see us. Try it with different sweeteners. Switch it up. You can also try it with different milks if you want to. Let me know what questions you have. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.